No gel, no extension, and it still looks this neat. Let me show you how I achieved it. You want to start by combing your hair upward. Yes, because I didn't blow dry my hair, so it's still shrinking. That's why I need to comb it upward so you'll be able to hold the tips of the hair. As you can see, I wasn't able to get all the hair together because it wasn't blow dry. So you go ahead and use a rope, any rope you have to bring the hair together. You put it around your head, then you struggle to bring the hair together. You're making sure that that bone aligns in the middle of your head. So when you succeed to get it to the middle of your head, you tie the rope firmly, not so tense. It looks tense, but it's low tension. It's not so tight. So you wanna press that middle part inward to create a bond. Then you go ahead and you secure it with the pin so that it doesn't move. We need to have that smooth bond. So you see, there was some hair left behind because I didn't comb the hair properly, but I still took it up to secure with a bobby pin. When you're done, you can tap it a little to make sure that you don't have any hair hanging out. So this is the final look. It took me just 2 minutes to achieve this simple but elegant hairstyle. Don't you like it? It's so beautiful. I really love the result. Do you believe that you can achieve this hairstyle without gel, without extension? Let me know if you're going to try it out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.